Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video, I'm going to create a beautiful, untraditional looking Valentine candle floral arrangement. So as you can see, I'm already getting started and I'm going to be using this white coral plate that I picked up from my thrift store. And I'm using a Dollar Tree candle holder. I'm just going to adhere these two pieces together. Now, what you see me doing here, I did the day before. So I wanted to just get this part of the video done and so we can work directly on our arrangement. So I just adhered the two pieces together with some permanent adhesive, and I'm just going to set that aside and I'm going to let it dry, and I'm going to get back to finishing up the project the next day. So guys, it's the following day. As you can see, I shifted my camera angle a little bit so that you can clearly see what I'm doing. But I'm going to use this floral foam and I'm going to cut a wedge out, and then I'm going to hot glue that wedge onto the white plate that we adhered to the candle holder the day before. So here's the plate, guys. And so now it's ready for the rest of the project. So moving on now, guys, I'm going to show you, I pulled out these are some little buds that I picked up from my discount store, and that's what we're going to be using today. So mine I picked up from Amazon, and I love this glitter contact paper because the glitter does not rub off on your hands. So what I'm going to do now is just take a little bit of my clear gel tacky glue and just apply it all over the heart. Then I'll take my scissors and cut away all the excess. After I remove the excess, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And now here we have both sides are covered. Now I'm going to continue decorating this heart. I want to cover the top edge of that heart. And I'm going to be using this pearl wrap. I got this from the Dollar Tree. This is how it looks. It came out really nice. My plan is to take it and adhere it to the floral foam right here so that it peeks out from behind our candle and our flowers. So I'm just going to start by applying all my florals that I have on my work table, and I'm just going to start with the larger flowers. I'm going to use some baby's breath as well. I'm also going to be using some boxwood plants, and I'm also going to be using a little bit of sprigs. I'm going to apply a little bit of hot glue to one side of our heart, and I'm going to adhere that to the back of the floral foam. I'm going to hold it in place and allow it to set. I just turned it around a little bit, and I'm going to cover all the rest of the area of my floral foam that you can see. I'm going to turn it around to the back and give the back a little bit of personality as well. And I'm just going to hot glue some boxwood plants back there, as well as some little floral sprigs. The candle I'm using is an electronic candle that I picked up from Amazon, a set of 3. Guys, I love the way this came out. So you let me know what you think, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And with that said, you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.